Hi, welcome to the National Grid's Choice Online News. Welcome to the Stienberg Review. I'm Robin Stienberg, and welcome to this wonderful exhibition that's now hosted in Singapore, the Singapore Energy Week. We're going to have Dr. Uwe and Mr. Fong, who's going to share with us about the wind turbine technology that's now made available in Asia. Mr. Dr. Uwe, thank you for joining us here at the National Grid's Choice at the Stienberg Review. Tell us, though, how did you come about having this great passion to invent this wonderful device behind you, which is the wind turbine, and you have made this available in ASEAN.
Yeah. So the reason to invent this kind of wind turbine was that maybe you imagine the big wind turbines, the horizontal ones, they are only available for a megawatt, which is not affordable for a family house. And also they need to have a laminar airflow, which is only available quite up in the air. So this wind turbine catches the wind from all directions. We don't have to bother around where the wind comes, even if it's turbulent, and even if it's low wind, because our invention is not only the wind what you see behind us, it is also the electronics with a special algorithm which catches a little amount of wind because of the kinetic energy, which is also available, which I would say there is no competition today on the market. And we found a very wonderful partner here in Singapore, which is able to have this precision production system, which is not really available all over the world. So it was hard to find the funds to get along, to find a partner who is able to produce the thing, because there are some tricky parts inside which you might not see. But from the point of production, we need a precision, reliable partner, and so we can also go into the Asian market.
Amazing. Now, Mr. Fong, you are the director of the Fong Engineering and Manufacturing here in Singapore.
Yes.
And you have extensive experience in precision engineering and manufacturing such devices like these. How do you see this joint venture a great benefit for ASEAN?
Oh, it's definitely a great benefit to ASEAN because as well you know that at present the wind generator is only have the horizontal is very common in Asia and even in the world. But with this vertical wind generator, it will give more value, to all the country in Asia. Especially, today a lot of people walk into my booth, they do not trust the wind. They say, can this wind generator can be used in Asia? But I told them it's possible because of this new technology and with this precise engineering work done by Dr. Uwe, it can be worked. So I can foresee that this wind generator will have a bright future and good selling in Asia for the future.
Now, Dr. Uwe, what kind of cost reduction do you see for most of the industries as well as households that's going to own this wonderful device?
This is a critical question because we have different costs per kilowatt in the world. So everything depends on the cost per kilowatt. In Europe, we have about 34 euro cents per kilowatt energy. So the return on invest in a good location could be 3 to 4 years return on invest based on a European pricing. So, but we have a different pricing in Asia related to the energy costs. We have, first of all, we support the grid. If there is a power failure, in some countries you have quite not a reliable grid solution. You have to turn on a diesel generator, which polluted our system, which is hard to get a diesel in. So this is one reason. The other reason is to bring your electrical costs down. Yeah? And of course it's green. Yeah? So everything is fully recyclable we have. And the things is maintenance free. So if you invest in this system, put it on your roof, it will pay off. In one country maybe 2 years, in another country with a cheap electricity costs 5 years. So it brings something with a decentralized energy, which I believe is a little part to save our nature for the future.
Amazing. And Mr. Fong, before we go, tell us what kind of plans do you have moving ahead for Singapore and ASEAN?
My target price is around 10K US dollar plus installation.
And do you see that every Singaporean and even your ASEAN countries will be adopting this technology?
I think so because myself and Mr. Dr. Uwe, we are coming out a smaller version of this wind generator. So we are targeting on not for the lower price version, so that you can penetrate into Asia. But this one, I'm sure that it still we can sell some in Asia, especially those with a better wind, like Japan and Korea and Taiwan.
Amazing. Well, thank you, Mr. Clement Fong, and also Mr. Dr. Cooper for joining us here at the National Grid Source Time Review. And we wish you luck, and we hope to see more of this clean energy made available here in Asia and throughout the world as well. And here at National Grid Source, thank you for joining me, Robin Steinberg. Have a good week ahead.
Thank you.